Hey YouTube, so just want to start out by saying that we're going to be using the Haynes repair manual for the removal of the camshafts on this cylinder head. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the camshaft position sensor right here. The next step is to mark the slot on the camshafts to the sprocket to the cam chain tensioner chain all the way around, so you know the relationship. And there should be 16 links, counting this one right above the slot. 16 links to the other side, which there are. That slot, like I said again, mark it all the way around. The next step is going to be using the cam chain tensioner compression tool to compress the tensioner. It looks like it's already all the way bottomed out, but compress it so it's easier for removal. And there's a slot in here. It's like just like this. So let's see if we can do that. All right, so we got all the intake and exhaust caps. We got the timing chain, or not the camshaft tensioner compressed. Now we can pull it out, we'll place it there, and then we'll take the lifters out. So let's see what's the best way to remove this thing. Like that, I guess. It's already came off, so we'll place it over here. Go. Like that. All right, now let's clean these up. Wow, I didn't realize how big of it's a big difference on the size of the exhaust and the intake lifters and valves. We use a magnet. Let's see. Wow. We'll keep everything together right now, and then we'll inspect everything later. Whoa. That thing just yeeted, just went flying. I wanted to show you guys the oil passage right here for the hydraulic lifters and the valve stem retainers. These are the exhaust valves right here, and we have 3 really small hydraulic lifters for each intake for each cylinder. There they are right there. And then these are the caps for the camshaft and the tensioner. So now we're gonna take this to the machine shop so they can resurface the other side of the head, and then we'll be able to slap it on the block. So I just picked up the cylinder head from the machine shop. You can see it's been resurfaced, and I used this square here, and it's definitely flat in all sides. Did the feeler gauge trick, so should be good. Perfect.